Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty. Today, I'm thrilled to be reviewing the Lash Bond and Seal for Eyelash Extensions from LAUBESS. This 2-in-1 product promises a long-lasting, waterproof solution for eyelash extensions, and I can't wait to dive into the details. If you love DIY lash extensions or want a reliable, easy-to-use adhesive, stick around. This one might just be your new secret weapon. The Lash Bond and Seal is a double-ended product designed to streamline your eyelash extension application. On one side, you've got the Lash Bond, which uses a spiral mini mascara brush with a curved head for an even application of the glue. It's incredibly easy to apply, almost as simple as putting on mascara. The other side is the Lash Seal, which forms a protective layer on the lashes to enhance adhesion and help maintain longer-lasting results. This setup is all about convenience and precision. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The application process is as straightforward as they come, with 3 simple steps. First, scrape off any excess lash bond and brush a thin layer underneath your natural lashes. Then, you'll place the cluster lashes under your natural lashes. Once your lashes are in place, seal them with a light coat of the lash seal at the base to lock them in. The entire process takes mere minutes, and the results are pretty impressive. From a real-world testing perspective, I found the glue to be exceptionally strong. The lashes stayed in place for up to 72 hours, which is fantastic for DIY lash extensions. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town or simply want a flawless look for a few days, this bond holds up. The lash seal does its job well too, locking everything in place without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. As someone who's used many different lash glues, I can say this one stands out in terms of ease of use and reliability. Let's get into the pros and cons. The major strength of this product is, without a doubt, its strong hold. The lashes are waterproof, sweat-proof, and heat-proof, making them ideal for a long-lasting wear experience. The bond lasts between 48 to 72 hours, and the lash seal enhances this further. I also love the fact that the product is odorless and won't damage your natural lashes, which is a huge bonus. On the flip side, the bond can sometimes be a little too strong for beginners who may find it tricky to remove without proper techniques. The seal also requires a delicate touch, or it can create a slightly thicker layer than desired if over-applied. In terms of value for money, LAUBESS has created a product that is incredibly affordable compared to other high-end lash glues. You're getting both the bond and seal in one tube, which makes this a very cost-effective option for those who regularly do their lashes. Given its durability, ease of use, and strong performance, this product certainly delivers great value. When comparing it to other lash glues on the market, the Lash Bond and Seal holds its own. Some higher-end products offer similar strength and longevity, but they come at a premium price. LAUBESS provides a comparable experience without the hefty cost, which makes it a solid option for those who want quality on a budget. The applicator spiral brush is a standout feature that sets this apart from typical lash glues, offering precision and ease. Now, as for build quality and longevity, I have to say this product is designed with durability in mind. The packaging is sleek, and the glue dispenses smoothly with no mess. I didn't encounter any issues with the tube, and it's clear that LAUBESS has put thought into creating a product that's built to last through multiple uses. Since I've only had it for a short time, I can't speak to its long-term reliability, but it certainly feels robust for everyday use. Customer support from LAUBESS has been fantastic too. Although I haven't had to reach out for issues, the brand is known for responsive customer service, and their reputation suggests that if you do encounter any problems, they'll address them quickly. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are some other lash glues out there, but they don't always match up in terms of performance or ease of use. If you're okay with a slightly lower hold, there are options, but none that quite capture the same balance of strength and comfort that the Lash Bond and Seal provides. To wrap things up, the Lash Bond and Seal by LAUBESS is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a reliable, long-lasting lash extension adhesive. It's easy to use, provides an incredibly strong hold, and delivers on its promises of waterproof and sweat-proof performance. If you're a DIY lash enthusiast or someone who's just getting into lash extensions, this product is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Beautyistic for more beauty tips, tricks, and honest product reviews. Be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or experiences with this product, feel free to share them in the comments below. Remember, the link to get your own Lash Bond and Seal is in the comments box. Until next time, stay beautiful and lash out confidently with Beautyistic.